my program support staff, Megan Jutra, on our watering run, our plant watering run, and taking care of fish that people have and various student experiments today. It's about an 8-hour job once a week, and we have decided to keep these plants alive because they are so important to, not only to students but to staff. We feel that we're not just watering plants, but we're actually taking care of people's memories associated with them. Many of these plants are gifts. I received an email from someone who said, this is a plant I've had for my 20 years at Dawson. There was even a time where I saw a plant that my mother had and it reminded me of my youth. So we're very conscious at Dawson with our core value of well-being for all, that we take care of ourselves, other people, and the planet in any way we can. And holding on to these connections and associations that we have with living things are really important. We tend to just look at the words watering a plant when we're busy in our jobs, but of course it's much more than that. So we're holding on to these memories and the empathy people put into keeping a plant. I have the privilege of seeing them bloom, for example, in the last couple of weeks. And whether it's something that simple, taking an individual plant or feeding a fish, or planting 30,000 trees as we are in the next couple of months to offset our carbon footprint. One example is very complex. What I'm doing today is very simple in one way, but it's all about building relationships. We are not just planting a forest in Nicaragua, we are reforesting marginal land. We are making sure that the birds that you hear at your country place actually have a place to go when they fly south. We are employing local people to take care of this forest that makes us carbon neutral. And they can actually extract some wood, a small amount every year from this forest, and create wood products that we are actually purchasing and selling here. So it's a whole cycle: social justice, economic sustainability, helping the environment, and that defines well-being for all at Dawson. And what I do today with these plants is just part of what we define here as that concept.